Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The boy can hit the ball. The boy can hit the ball. The girl can sit on the chair. The girl can sit on the chair. We mix red and blue to make purple. We mix red and blue to make purple. There are 6 stars in the sky. There are 6 stars in the sky.
Your turn.